Walking through the farm, I can't help but admire the chickens bustling around. Did you know that there are over 25 billion chickens in the world? They're not just for eggs, they play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Chickens are natural foragers, helping to control pests and weeds. Each hen can lay about 300 eggs a year, which means a flock can produce a staggering amount of food. And let's talk about their personalities. Chickens are surprisingly social creatures, forming strong bonds with each other. They communicate through a variety of clucks and squawks, each sound conveying different messages. Watching them scratch the ground for seeds or dust bathe in the sun is a reminder of the simple joys of farm life. Raising chickens isn't just about the eggs.